Huwag muna kayo mag-alisa, ha? Last na to. Para naman sa grade 5. Grade 5. Basahin natin yung certificate. Office of the City Mayor, Madrasa Comprehensive Development and Promotion Unit, Darul Khair Islamic Center, City of Davao. Academic Excellence Award is hereby awarded to Myra Ninette M. Laconza of Grade 5 in recognition of her outstanding performance in achieving the average grade of 97.18% with high honors and awarded as class first honor with Best in Hifdul Quran, Best in Tafsir, Best in Fiqh, Best in Hadith, Best in Sirah, and Best in Lugatul Arabiya for the Madrasa School Year 2024 to 2025. Given the 16th day of February 2025 at Darul Khair Islamic Center, Purok 75 Al Khair Muslim Village, Bangkal, Barangay Talomo Proper, Davao City. Signed by the class advisor, Ustada Morsalina M. Majid, and cluster head teacher, Sheikh Idris A. Hamid. Next awardee, Ivelyn S. Hassan of grade 5, achieving the average grade of 96.79% with high honors and awarded a class second honor with Best in Tajweed, Best in Tawheed, Best in Nahu, and Best in Imla.